Bilang baknota ng Municipal Literacy Champion sa buong Pilipinas sa first to third class municipal category, naganap ng ika-23 ng Pebrero ang Northern Luzon Education Council Meeting and Benchmarking Activity sa M. Real San Juan, La Union. Ito ay nilaukan ng mga alkalde at iba pang education stakeholders sa Northern Luzon.
Okay, so as the local chief executive of the municipality of Bacnotan, it's an honor to host the Northern Luzon Education Council first meeting ng 2024. Siyempre nakaka-proud kasi we are hosting yung iba't ibang mga local chief executives din, mga officials at saka mga deputy officials ng hindi lang deputy officials, may LGU officials ng Lihan, Two, and CAR. So yung mga participants tayo from Pangasinan, from Isabela, from Quirino, from Baguio, at syempre yung ating minamahal na La Union. So nakaka-proud and I think it's also a landmark event para sa ating munisipyo kasi syempre nakikilala tayo as a model when it comes to literacy and education.
Ibinida ni Mayor Divine Fontanilla ang mga aktibidad kaugnay sa literacy ng Bacnotan na ginawa upang makamit ang 100% literacy rate at 3-time Coral Awardee ng Seal of Good Education Governance.
The learning journey of Bacnotan has metamorphosed because of its commitment to make education accessible to all, to facilitate self-reliance among our constituents, to care for and improve the environment and natural resources, and to foster economic growth among others.
Nagpaabot din ng mainit na pagbati si Vice Mayor Francis Fontanilla sa lahat ng dumalo.
Education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. As public servants dedicated to education, we hold this weapon in our hands. Let us wield it with care, wisdom, and attitudes.
Gaano yung naging journey ng BLJ, ng Bacnotan Literature, on how it started with the funds na meron ng Bacnotan. And kung papansinin natin, integrated yung papunta na pinagalitan. And yun yung isa sa magandang strategy na ginawa ng Bacnotan. Sabi ko, maganda because they were able to partner it with the different organizations, with the different offices, na ang layunin is to really pursue to uplift the quality of education.
All the programs and activities and projects involving education, lahat gusto kong papihin. Yun ang totoo na lahat gusto kong papihin. Because it has been proven once again, tayo lahat ng program niya, very holistic and at the same time, very comprehensive at the same time, napakaganda niya because it actually means a lot to them to help the people of Bacnotan. And one more thing, I could see and I could sense that they work hard in helping our youth so far as education is concerned.
Ang aktibidad nito ay sinagawa sa pangunguna ng Synergia Foundation. Naglibot din ng mga alkalde sa 3 paaralan ng Bacnotan na binubuo ng Bacnotan Central School, Saragosa Integrated School at Paratong Elementary School para sa kanilang benchmarking activities. Tinignan ng mga bisita ang best practices ng mga nasabing paaralan pagdating sa silidaklatan, gulayan sa paaralan at mga functional na SPED o Special Education Classrooms. Ang pagbisita ng iba't ibang leader educator mula sa Northern Luzon ay patuloy na ang Bacnotan sa pangunguna ni Mayor Divine ay nagsisilbing ehemplo sa iba pang mga munisipyo pagdating sa sektor ng edukasyon at literasiya.